So today I got a project I gotta work on. RaCesar and Stone Flacco, they got a mixtape coming out, produced, mixed by DJ M80 out of NY. I'm gonna put the cover together for them. They bounced an idea off with me, and we're gonna take that idea and put our own spin on it. We're gonna use these to create that album cover for that mixtape with DJ M80. We're gonna take this belt buckle, we're gonna shoot some photos of it. I really like the texture. I was kind of thinking of making it a clean background, maybe white, but I really like the white on this belt. So I might take this texture here and repeat it and put it on the back. I'm gonna see what works, but we're gonna take some photos of all of this. But before I do that, I wanna get a little more inspiration. I wanna see how, product photographers shoot belts without it being on somebody's waist, which was something that I really did not wanna do. I did not wanna shoot the belt buckle like on someone's waist. You know what I'm saying? So I wanted to shoot it individually. I wanna display it in a way that looks kind of fly. So either that's gonna be just with a clean background, kind of like angling it the right way, or I wanna see the way other photos were taken of belts and see if we could get some inspiration from that. So when it comes to finding imagery and finding inspiration, I'll be honest with you all, I don't have any super secret cool websites that I go to. I just go straight to Pinterest. I mean, I like it a little bit better than Google Images. Kind of narrows down my search a little. So I'm really just in Pinterest. I don't think I'm gonna navigate outside of this. Either I find what I'm looking for or I don't. This is just a guide to maybe see if there's something out there that is gonna kind of grab my attention. So for the most part, I'm seeing exactly what I expected to see. Like, I'm not seeing nothing that's like really crazy. You got some of these images here where they got the belt go on some nice weathered, textured background of wood, grain. I'm seeing like fur, stone. I mean, that's really nothing that doesn't really jump out at me and say, oh, that's different. I never thought of that. I'm seeing a lot of what I was expecting to see, which is totally fine, because if that's what works, that'll work. But I still just wanna scroll through it. Maybe something will grab my attention. So the whole point of this shoot is to have all the focus on that belt buckle, because we do wanna clean it up, and I do wanna put the title of the project on there and their names, but I wanted to make it look like it's engraved on the belt buckle. So there's gonna be a lot of Photoshop editing with that. So anything crazy with a lot of like stuff going on in the background is not gonna work. I think the best bet is to just go and focus on the belt buckle with stuff like this image here. Like, that's perfect, that works. As you can see, we are not in some fancy studio somewhere on some dope location. We are literally in my home. This is where we eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Kitchen is over there. Dishes are drying that way I just cleaned. Bottles are in the sanitizer getting sanitized. Living room is over here. My office is over there in the corner. My girl is working in the bedroom right now. This is my home. And so for this shoot, we're gonna use this counter to set up our shot, put some white paper down here, poster board, whatever, and we're gonna see how we can get this shot done. The title of the album, right, is gonna be on the belt. So I kind of want that to be a little bit more. Actually, that looks kind of cool like that. Ooh. Don't move. Let's take a look at that. I kind of like that. Oh yeah. That I could work with. Ooh, nice. All right, I'm gonna move on. I think I'm happy with that look. I'm gonna move on to my next piece here, and that's getting this texture from this belt. So to weigh it down, I'm gonna use these tomato cans. What better for a project that's all about our culture by using something that is the cornerstone of Latin cuisine. I mean, when you got the shot, man. Don't overthink it sometimes. Overthinking will hurt you. So I got my shots. Now I wanna upload all of these into Lightroom or Photoshop, do a little light editing on it, and then clean up the belt buckle so I could get that title on there. I'm gonna have to do a lot of heavy Photoshopping to get that title to look like it's a part of the belt buckle and part of the metal. I might wanna use some AI to figure that out, but I might just go old school, do it the old fashioned way and add texture to it, you know, the way I used to do it, right? So we'll see what happens.